I don't know if this is in their schedule. There is some markings there and markings there. There's a mark, whatever that means. Well, this is on the corner of 3rd and Brown Street. You can see in the picture that was a bubble. You see that water moving? It's bubbling. It's cracking up the road. And we've got a bad water leak under there somewhere. Alright, I'm gonna call them, see if they know about it. It hasn't rained in days, so we know it's a water leak. Okay, they may know about it since it's already got a mark on it. Here's the sign. It's on 3rd and Brown. Bye, y'all. Morning, everybody. It is almost 6 o'clock, about 7 minutes till 6. Sun's not really up. Sky's got a lot of, I think that's humidity in it. A lot of, it feels cool out here right now. I'm out here to water my what do you call those? Flowers? And see that wet down the road there? I think they know about it and they're gonna schedule it. It's a water leak. So we gotta get that scheduled and cleaned up. So I'm next door to water all these flowers. This right here, I made this a cottage garden. That's what I call the cottage garden. It gives cool to the house. Nursing those back to health. These up here, I got them for $5.99. And they're coming back. I'm gonna replant them. And these are coming along. They're getting taller. I used seeds I got from last year off of my zinnias. So I don't know if they'll get as tall this year. They're looking kind of stunted. They usually get about 4 feet tall. But these haven't yet. And I may not have to water too much. And this is what I got on the steps. I dug these up out of the yard. Last year, dug this up. This is a weed. Gotta get that out of there. Got one of those in there. I dug these up out of the yard. I don't think those are petunias. I think there's something else. Because my petunias are here. And that's next door, y'all. Okay. I need to deadhead these. I gotta get my scissors and deadhead some of these flowers. Still feels pretty wet out here. Let me see if I need to water these pansies. Yeah, I think I'll go ahead and water these pansies. I'm always pulling grass out of here. rose bushes. I fertilized them 3 days ago. And this one's giving off roses again. Blooms year round, as long as I keep it watered and fed. Oh, and this one's getting a yellow one on it. So, this is looking pretty good. These will flower pretty soon. I didn't know if they'd do good over here because they like full sun. This elephant ear had never done any good. This is its second year. And gotta pull this tree out of there. It don't belong. These aren't doing good. I'm gonna have to pull these out of there and transplant these. This is good though. I pulled these out of another bed that they weren't supposed to be in there. And these I got, and I need to probably repot them. These are just full of those little daisies. Just love these things. It's got some red and yellow in here. They do good right here on the porch. So, and I got a basket up here. Hummingbird feeder. Okay, I'm gonna pull the water hose and get water a little bit. It's in the 90s all week, so. Oh, there's my son's cat up in the window, Stormy. Yeah, Stormy, I'll come in and feed you. I'm getting things done early. Hi, Stormy. You see him say hi? Hi. Yeah, hi. He's meowing. Yeah. I'll see you in a minute. I'm gonna water first. He's cute. Where's Gizmo? Huh? Where's Gizmo? Okay. Well, this door open. Alright, y'all. That's everything I discovered this morning. I gotta get to planting some more crops I can eat in the backyard. Alright, everybody have a nice day. Bye.